O le ukutua o hu e tō lima la ki whanau la na whanau, tō tōu skul marto, whanau, tōu skul marmata. O le au whainga o e sa tuku mai ai, tō lua se lau skul mareipa. Ai, o mātou ki la, ia loto mbau na inga, ia ua e me toi, na ngona ita, se mātou kara noa, ia matuia lau malaka.
Ia au te whānua ina mo i mau sigai, soi fua lotu o tina. E leo whai o na visi a ina e asa, e whai o fie foi o na sku e lau ai, ua le lotu tina. Uma o na whanutala ia te au a ina, lona ai, lona tukua i la mātala whana sono o whai langi fo lau. Le mea sa ni lofo ai, mari tau whaina mai o rana whanau. Tāno lofo i me tau o rana mau. A orai na maruna fiafi maa ngai mai ni sa ilile vai tafi fwolea ko le whamarua i lefte. O na rana le to ina o te atu. O na tūla i le tono te meti ai amo mai te ina mau mai tātuku. E o mai tūma o rama. E bele e le ngaro i te au tala le atu. O mabai i aso, so eu inisi aso, ai tu mai te whapea po nani e ne te tala i ki i o tā, wale e si mai o tanga mabai, si mai tanga mabai e koma tu. O mauna a wau ni se i a patu, ai e kai mai, o mabai mai whai ini o mua aruma. O la tala ngana whai o tō, i a whaita a mua e mabai, te ni me olo o whaamari na mai e. Vai na vai no tua. Awa na ufa na nessa scufitu foi o max. Ela na eu na lengaro e que a no tua. Agora mate acho para fatas. So se tem ela uma ela para vai só por fama natural nas fala. E fama natural se para energia, e fama natural que ela vai na ainda a vai ao pelo. Fama natural vai foi uma fama já. Dalam na te whakitaya ia wawatara e sa whai o whanatu le. Le iwas puta usanga no tua whara inga wholea o Mr. Burka sa ia rwaya. Whakitaya a inga mo. A vea le whamanatu whatasi poita as whanatu. O ke nofu ala i sta usanga le pe o puta usanga le o maranga i usidai. E ora le was whanau o mantua no foi a inga o inga la fo whanatu la whanau o tina. Ia no foi atu le seu toro ia. O disse foi tá no ar. Eu ia lá falar. Mas eu não assumo a escola mais lá. Tá, não sei, aí mata. talo atua nei. Amene. Ora tatu fama vai atu li sina ia ainga. Ele pesi fama vai ala uso ke Cristiano. Ya Yesu
Hi viewers, just put my grandma to rest. We're gonna sing a song for her now. Sorry. This is my other brother Silla. I don't think you guys have met him. Good morning guys, it's the day after my grandmother's burial and we've been as again I've said, we've been really inconsistent with vlogging because we've just been so busy. I've hardly seen Siaosi since we've arrived. This is the first time we've been in a car together
yes.
Since we've got here.
Yes guys, busy every day. When I come here in Samoa, I start busy from the first day, even last day yesterday.
Yeah, so she's been slaying in the kitchen,
helping everyone.
Yeah, helping everyone, fussing mangus, tapovi, and all of that stuff. Killing cows, pigs, helping my dad, and he's been in the kitchen like 24/7 doing chores. So it still feels really weird without my grandmother. I really miss her. I was watching videos. I was watching videos of her today, and we're just on our way back home from town to drop off some things to my cousins, and then we'll be going again. Siaosi and I really want to get bears suited together. I think we've only got one, and that was when Siaosi was like really skinny, so it doesn't fit him anymore. But we're gonna get, yeah, we're gonna go and organize maybe two bears to wear together. So that's our plan.
Guys, we are making lunch, having some lunch here.
Oh, well, that's a pretty good idea too.
There's a magazine top.
We're here at the Samoan markets now. It's
hot.
very hot.
Yeah. Now we're coming to have shop. food.
Have a little shop.
And the market is so hot. We have some shops here.
I just bought a fan. What do you think about Samoa?
It's alright. It's hot.
Guys, we get market. Guys, here at the market, doing some shop. It's not been for a while.
Somebody, my trust, my cousins and Eso and Siaosi and me, and we're going to Matureva today. Yay! Yay!
Shut up.
I'm the one that's at the back here.
Oi, Mayama, foi chocar ya Sharon.
Why you are there? What are you doing here?
Malo Sharon! Mahal kita!
Kumusta ya? Kumusta ba kayo?
What the heck is that?
Nakaro ka nga Filipino.
No.
That's kumusta.
It's como estas, and that is not Filipino.
Kumusta? Kumusta?
It's Spanish.
Ja, aku får i jag mycket på det och så där fast.
Ja.
Jag mycket för vem var fast. Nej.
Ah,
Ai pasinta mai. Ai pasinta mai.
Fa ko so e sau ya. Ko vora me ka fao.
Ya gala lu ko i garang titik.
Baby, why you just leave me? Just leave me. Just leave me. Just leave me. Why you just leave me?
We have stopped off at Sunrise to have something to eat before we go to Matureva Beach. Is that what it's called? And and I am so hungry. I'm about to tear it up. We don't have a menu. I'm gonna get something nice. And I'm getting you. And I'm with my cousins as well. Lotomau Iainga. She's named after my grandmother. We got V. We've got May Emmer, Mice, and Sear. And Ossie's just gone to the car. Let's look at the menu. I'm about to tear it up. Woo! We got our bibs on. Put your bibs on. May luwag ka ni Fawan. It's a video. Guys, this is so beautiful. Do you think? No, not my face, the view. It is so nice. beautiful. So beautiful.
Hey guys, you need to come here. It's island of the Pacific, and this is the island of so beautiful country in the world. And this is a beautiful country in the world. Come here, this beautiful sand and swimming sea. Look that Paleo with the polar, salmon polar. If you want to come here in Samoa, please comment below and ask me if you want to come, and I'll take you here, this place.
Eva Maya, Eva, Eva Maya, Eva ile música, lea uamanaya. Eva Maya, Eva, Eva Maya, Eva ile música, lea uamanaya.
Please on the track, nigga.
Mama yo chica, ma epese mai. Tú ile música, lea uaonge mai. Lima chica, ma encima mai. Oh Lord, it takes time.
I can't even see. Hold on. Morning, guys. What day is it? Friday.
Thursday.
It's Thursday today, and we're going to town soon. But Aussie is doing what he's used to. Doing his usual duties before he came an Australian. This is how you squeeze the cream out of the coconut and make coconut cream. And this is my friend Puka.
You're recording even the thing.
Yeah, he's so cute. Puka, Puka, Puka. Don't bite my fingers.
Does he actually?
I don't know. This is my little niece Mary.
Yo, ta so nu mai nei ton ma ke ki fo fungalei. Lo fai ai tau mafa wa le fonga tau mafa ta nu. Ya ma fale enga ni fale enga le tunga ya Siaosi ki. Ma le fi ango sa le auron fasto tai. Ya un fai ne tato o wa ne yaso. Yo ku ko lo fai or ko pai. Kasi ko pai maka kia ngi lo lang ye ma wa le mero ko.
Little goat.
Ko mero. Ya o papua lai ko mai o ngale lua pua lai ko. O le ai mo ki pua o ai nga ha. Yo kingi kira mak ko runge iyo skasi ki ngo fa o ngale ngo ko polisi. Yo. Ma o langa maka upolo ave o le science and geography. Ya mal history. Siaosi ko pesa fa sa kala TV. O sunga ya Siaosi se tasio tora poi. Ma lo pai poi pongi se se masio foi tono le.
Okay, so that is the result of all those little bengals. You have to squeeze the juice out of it, basically. Squeeze the life out of it. So we're about to head off to town now. We've actually got time to vlog and stuff now that my grandmother's funeral is over. She's all the way over there. And yeah, we're about to head out, do some washing. And the camera that I'm holding right now, the screen of it is come loose because I dropped a screw accidentally. So we're gonna head to town and see if we can find little tiny screws. It's really hot. I find that like all the people from out, they don't even care. They always wear like t-shirts and ears. But people who live here, they wear like their best. Like the best of their best to go to a pier. And then the outsiders are just like, meh. There's my honey boo.
Hello everyone. I'm so hot here in Samoa.
Hi.
Guys, we enjoy here in Samoa. Take some time to have some holiday and meet our family here.
Why are we going? Yeah, is that sign language? Back here at the market key. Hello, little Eddie. Look at his face. Hello, little Eddie. This is our market, guys. This is where everyone chills before and after school. They got some pretty good gekemoas. Hello, little Eddie. Hello, little Eddie. My maka. Mrs. Sepa Mayayo maka. As soon as you sit down, like people come running to you and ask you if you want a drink. They are hustling, like they want you to buy a drink from their shop because there's like so many shops in this place and they're very similar to each other. They all like sell the same thing, so you gotta hustle. This is like their milk drink. It's yellow. Hello, Eddie. 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 Look at his face. It's so cute. Eddie. This is a chicken bun. Usually it's like pork bun, but it's like chicken in it.
This is so nice, guys. It's got some more big shake.
And these are the best shakes ever in Samoa. I always make a trip here to the Cool Shack. It's got like a little cocoa in there. Someone cocoa, it's like a little bean.
This is our house in the farm. Sao có là chỉ vì đi vào lâu à?
This is the doing of Soso's restaurants. This is so good. Thank you, mommy.
If you like it, subscribe.
If you like it, subscribe.
If you like it, subscribe. If you like it, subscribe.
If you like it, subscribe.
If you like it,